Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha. I am the owner of Side Hustle Keisha, and I'm bringing you all the top work from home opportunities, things that you can do from the home, things you can do from your tablet or your cell phone, from your laptop. I'm going to bring you opportunities that you can work from home and make money from home. I'm also going to share with you passive income opportunities, that money you can make in your sleep, where you wake up to notifications on your phone, or you're in the grocery store and you get a notification that you made $500, $1,000 a day. I'm going to share with you opportunities where you can do that as well, okay? But also every now and then I'll get you out of the house with opportunities where you can make some quick and easy money outside of the home. So everything about this channel is make money, tips on how you can excel in your work from home opportunity as well. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Make sure you like or dislike. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. I want to know how I'm doing. But also, if you try one of these opportunities, please come back and drop a comment below and let us know how it went for you. I really want you guys to share with me if you check out this opportunity, because I think it's going to be great. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can hear about this. But before we get into this work from home opportunity, I want you guys to know under each video, there's a description box. In that description box will be always a link to the opportunity that I share with you, but most importantly, it's going to be links for other videos that I've done. Also opportunities if you're looking to make passive income, please click on my #1 recommendation for making money from home. But also if you want a free 7 top work from home side hustle guide, it's free to you. Click on 7 top side hustles, click on that link and put in your information, follow the steps, and I'll send over a free 7 top work from home side hustle guide to you. Let's jump right into this amazing opportunity. Are you guys with me? I want you to give me a thumbs up, hands up in the comments if you guys are hanging with me to the end of this video. Let's go right over to this amazing company. It's called Concentrix, you guys. Concentrix is reimagining your business with a partner who is truly different. Concentrix brings together unmatched talent and all the tools and capabilities to power the greatest customer engagement, okay? So let's jump on over to careers. We're going to jump on over to careers. Then we're going to click on work at home. So when you're doing this at home, follow these steps. We're going to jump over to work at home, okay? So so what is the home team advantage? Okay, Concentrix has the home team advantage, and I'm going to tell you why. In team sports, home team advantage describes the psychological advantage that home team is said to have over the visiting team because of playing in familiar facilities and in front of supportive fans. Concentrix has the home team advantage in business. We've done our research and analysis on common market dynamics and have extensive experience in global work at home deployments. The work at home industry is booming and rapidly changing the business world as we know it. Concentrix wants to lead in work at home pack around the world. Our growing transition to work at home models have convinced us that the work at home platform provides great variety of talent, flexibility, and cost efficiency globally, okay? So let's jump right over and click on apply. So one thing I want you guys to pay attention to when you come over here, you want to pay attention to the title of the job, which is in like the turquoise blue. Below in the orange is the actual state that they're hiring for. So you have to pick the state that you live in. And as you see, we have Alabama, Arizona, we have some Georgia, I seen Texas, I seen Alabama, Louisiana, a lot of stuff in Arizona, Florida, Colorado, Minnesota, Missouri. So you want to pick the title that applies to your field or your skill set, and then you want to pick the state. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to click on this particular work at home opportunity as a sales service rep. So we're going to learn more about the sales service rep in Texas, okay? So when you come here, you'll see work at home at top, sales service rep Texas. So note, we are hiring from the entire state, not just one city or region. Your future is calling. Answer now. We're Concentrix, a leader in customer management. We we make our clients, Fortune 500 companies, interactions with the customers smarter, more effective, and more profitable. We like to have the exact same effect on your career. Exactly what we do. What do we do? We provide excellent customer service on behalf of our clients. Instead of working in a traditional call center environment, our concentrics Anywhere program hires sales and service agents who work from home. For example, when you call the customer service department for a cell phone or a cable provider, you just might be calling to Concentric's home-based customer service and sales agent, answering that call on behalf of one of our clients. These calls might involve billing questions, changes or cancellations of services, inquiries on the status of an order, troubleshooting service, etc. So why Concentrics anywhere? We offer paid training, employee benefits too. We can save a lot of money and time. Oftentimes we have less stress when you work from home. There is no gas to purchase, windshields to scrape in the winter, and bad weather to drive through, clothes to purchase or dry clean, and no lunches, coffee, snacks to purchase daily. So that's why you should choose Concentrics. The minimum requirements, additional info: high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year customer service experience, 1 year sales experience required if you want to be considered for sales positions. We need you to have your own PC, less than 6 years old, a high-speed internet service, both of which will be tested as a part of the application process. You can work from a laptop, but you will need a hardwired you will need it to be hardwired while working. Our monitor will need to be 17-inch minimum. So a flat panel display is highly recommended. Televisions cannot be used as monitors. External monitors are permitted for laptops with less than 17-inch screen. So a quiet, distraction-free location in your home, a telephone, landline, or cell phone is required for part of your training and team calls. This phone is not used to receive incoming work calls. Your internet connection is used for that. An approved headset and flash drive will be required before you start working with us. They are not required as a part of the application process, so please don't purchase them before we extend a job offer to you. A strong candidate will be computer internet savvy, comfortable in operating several applications simultaneously. We need you to be a people person. So here's just some basic stuff that they need you to do if you're interested in this job. So the location is in Texas. The job is contact center. So let's apply. Let's see what happens when we apply, okay? So here is more details about the position: work at home sales service rep, Texas. Okay, it goes over the mission and talk more about the company, but this is going over more of the requirements and career framework role, a disclaimer here, and then you would apply. If you have LinkedIn, you can apply as well. So I want you guys to come on over to Concentrics if you feel like you meet the minimum requirements for this sales and service rep. I'm going to read some more of the minimum requirements for the job. We require 7 days a week availability, as a customer service is something that is provided by companies every day of the week. Schedules may vary and will be just discussed in the interview. Great benefits options include medical, dental, vision, 401k. We also offer attendance-based wage increase, performance bonuses, and some programs include sales incentives. So that's some of the bonuses. Okay, so a strong candidate will be computer and internet savvy, comfortable operating several applications simultaneously. We need you to be a people person who enjoys talking and assisting others. Think about how much you enjoy receiving excellent customer service we will need you to take pride in providing the same great service to others. So here's that information, and I want you guys, I'm going to click on apply just to see where it takes us, okay? So here you would have to sign in or create an account. Once you create an account, you're going to go through the regular steps that you would for any other company and applying for a job. So here is the work from home sales service rep for Texas, but there's other states available, and this is for concentrics. I will drop the link below so that you could apply for this particular job, and I want you guys to come back and tell me how it went. Make sure that you get my seven top work from home side hustles, which are always below this video in the description box. Make sure you see my #1 recommendation for making money from home. Make sure you guys subscribe, push the notification button, and drop a comment below and tell me what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next video. You have an amazing night, okay? Bye-bye.